Hello, everyone. My name is Celeste, and I'm a librarian here at River Valley District Library. And today we are going to be making fire-breathing dragons. So our supplies are going to be a green sheet of paper. We've got some flames here. We've got little noses here. And then some pom-poms and some googly eyes for the eyeballs. So the first step that we're going to do is we are going to roll our paper into a tube. Now, to make the dragon breathe fire, you breathe through the back of the dragon's head here. So you got to make sure that it fits around your lips pretty well so that you can get a good airflow through there. So once you get your shape there, we are going to glue this down. I'm going to use a glue stick here. Glue that side there. Keep it rolled up. Okay, and then we have our tube. So from there, we are going to get the eyes ready. So the eyes can be a little tricky because it's hard to get the pom-poms to stick to the top of here. We are going to roll around the googly eye on top of here and get that nice and sticky. And then I'm going to press it down onto the pom-pom. I'm just going to press really hard between my two fingers and hold that there for a while so it gets really nice and stuck on there. And then we have the googly eye stuck on. Let's do that to our other eye too. Nice and sticky. And stick it onto the pom-pom and hold it down nice and tight. That gets stuck on. Okay, and then we have both of our eyeballs. So now we're going to stick our eyeballs onto here. This is the same problem as putting the googly eyes on, is that the pom-poms don't really like to stick too well. So we're going to hold them down on there and hold them nice and tight. You feel like they're nice and stuck on there. Okay, then we have our eyes. So next stop is the nose. And I'm going to put some glue down on here. Make sure we get a good amount, nice and sticky. I'm going to stick my nose on, pull it down nice and tight, dries and sticks really well. Here. Okay, and then we have our dragon's face with his nostrils right here, his eyeballs right here. And next we are going to do our flames. So we are going to glue our flames to the inside portion and upper portion of the mouth. So it hangs over, and when we blow out, all the flames are going to go forward. So I'm going to get my flames prepared. I've got a good amount of them, but I think I'm going to cut my sides to make it look a little sharp and pokey. Kind of get those peaks of the flames, make them look very realistic. And you know, these look a little wide for this guy's mouth, so I think I'm going to go ahead and cut them down the middle to make them a little thinner as well. All right, that's looking better. That looks like a flame. All right, so I've got all my flames ready here. So now I'm going to turn this guy upside down. Fix my nose here, got a little unstuck. Oh, and that worked a lot better. So I think I'm going to do that with the other one too. I'm going to take my pom-pom and put that on the glue. Put them around and get them really sticky and then stick that onto the paper. Down for a while so it sticks real well. Okay. So for this, I'm going to glue my paper with my glue stick. I'm going to stick them in the top part of my dragon's mouth. Okay, he looks pretty good to me. So we are going to go ahead and test him out. Fire breathing dragon, very cool. So if you want to make this kit, come down to the library and grab one. We have limited supplies, so it's first come, first serve. So if you would like to reserve a kit, give us a call at the library at 309-523-3440 and let us know that you want one set aside for you. Thank you very much for watching today, and we will see you next time. Bye.